Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily center something in if it's image, if it's object, if your logo, it doesn't matter in Squarespace. So let's start here. So I'm going to add a code first, right? Just for showcase how we can do it. It's really simple, really simple. So code, I just paste it here. When I click done and save, you can see that it's really centered to the left, right? So what I'm going to do, I will double click on it and it's centered on the left side. So what I'm going to do, you need to just click plus here, take a spacer and need to play with the spacer. So I will just add a spacer here, but right now you can see it's in far left. So I will take again a spacer and paste one on the right side. So right now you see that it's like on mobile, it's really similar. But when I'm going to click on spacer, I can move it and create a space for my object or image to be in the middle. And you can see, like, I don't know what is middle here, but this is probably right. It's not. Hey, this. Yeah. So as you can see, it's really cool. And let's do mobile preview. Mobile preview is also pretty cool, I think. It's really good. So let's unclick the mobile and let's see how it looks like. Nice. So you can really play around with the spacer. That's what I like about the Squarespace, because in many sites, also Wix, but Wix it's bugged a lot. Wix is not that good. Shopify is kind of good, but you have limited options on how you can edit things there, in my opinion. So this is how we can center in Squarespace. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, thank you, have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.